Ikonya mbere ya gĩthurano kĩnene igoti-inĩ rĩathĩte IEBC gũkana hũthĩra register ya ibuku rĩrĩa rĩcabithĩtio gũkana kũrana aikia a kura. Igoti rĩkiuga atĩ mũrũgamo wa IEBC wa gũkana hũthĩra tu mĩtambo ya KIMS nĩ mũgarũ na watho. Mathaa manini thutha ũcio IEBC nĩcoketie na kuga nĩ atĩ itua rĩa igoti no nĩkahũthĩra njĩra ya mũtambo wa KIMS na ĩrĩa ya register kũngĩkinyanĩria atĩ irore cia aikia amwe a kura itironeka mĩtambo-inĩ ĩyo ya KIMS.
And in the event that the voter cannot be identified using their fingerprint due to missing fingers, or the biometrics were not properly captured during registration, the presiding officer shall authorize use of a complementary mechanism.
The only thing I was clarifying is that even if we are told that we cannot use any other, we have manual registers already. So there is no contradiction. We are still going to analyze the ruling. Manual registers are there. The question is, how do you use them? And we will look at the court ruling.
IEBC iroiga mitambo ya KIMS niyo njĩra hũthũ ya kũhũthĩra gũtambũra aikia a kura gĩthurano-inĩ, no kũngĩkinya nĩkagĩa na gathĩna, IEBC no gũtigana ĩgatigana na mitambo ĩyo na kũhũthĩra register ya ibuku.
Where the KIMS kit malfunctions during identification or resource transmission, the presiding officers are required to notify the returning officers.
As has been mentioned, we have a team of applications of about 18,000 observers who will participate in this year's election. 10,000 have already been processed, including yourselves, and 8,000 are being processed. International observers, about 1,300. The rest are local observers.
Ũndũ ũngĩ wĩyumĩrĩtie nĩ atĩ IEBC ndĩrarehete maratathi ma icigo 10 cia ũikia wa kura iria irarĩ na macira, na rĩu yugĩte nĩ magakorwo makinyĩte mũthenya wa Jumamothi.
Some of the court cases came a bit too late in the day. And so now some ballot papers have not arrived, and they will arrive tomorrow. And that now makes us a bit jittery, that when they arrive tomorrow, we have to fast track those and take them to their various stations. And I think by Sunday latest, they will be there, because now fast tracking them will now mean we take fixed wing aeroplanes or helicopters. And we will make sure that everything is in place by Sunday.
So hopefully by Monday, all the ballot papers will have reached their destinations.
And right now what we are working on is just a bit of logistics of delivering materials, and as well as a bit of training of the staff that are going to be deployed in the elections, especially the staff at the polling station level.
Macira maria makoretwo makĩgũmĩra commission ĩno yugĩte nĩmo matũmĩte ĩkorwo ĩtakinyanĩirie gũtũma indo ciothe ceceni-inĩ cia ũikia wa kura, na rĩu matua ma macira macio nĩguo gũtũma ikorwo ĩkinyanĩirie gũtũma indo ciothe gwĩkinyĩria mũthenya wa Kiumia. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Wanjikũ wa Kĩmani.